Hi, I'm Jack at Flawless Detailing. In this video, we're going to be showing you what our new car ceramic protection includes, the necessary steps and benefits. We're going to be going over the washing and polishing process, as well as application of ceramic coating to paint, glass, wheels and interior protection. Upon delivery of your new vehicle, we firstly complete a snow foam pre-wash, safe 2-bucket method wash, chemical and mechanical decontamination to ensure no surface soiling prior to polishing steps. To ensure a perfect finish, we complete a single-stage machine polish to remove minor defects created in the manufacturing and delivery process. Being an IGL Coatings approved installer, we offer various ceramic coating options suited to all desired finishes and budgets. During our initial consultation, we'll discuss what options suit your vehicle best, as well as coating paintwork to achieve excellent water behaviour, a slip gloss finish and ease of cleaning, glass, wheels, interior and all other surfaces may be protected. To achieve best results, we bake on our ceramic coating. This ensures a complete and even bond to the paintwork that aids in durability. Opting for wheel protection means wheels are firstly removed, safely cleaned, polished and coated before being reinstalled and tightened to manufacturer's spec. Glass is prepared using dedicated glass polish before application of ceramic protection. This achieves aided visibility and clarity during wet conditions. Whether your vehicle has a leather or fabric interior, we have a product to suit. Minimising a chance of staining and dye transfer is the aim of overall interior protection. If you're interested in this or any of our other services, please visit the website or social media pages linked below.